Ply Online here at Ply Online Presents. This is a tutorial on how to calculate shipping for your order on our website. Ply Online is dedicated to making sure our products get to you safely and in a timely manner. This is why we work with a selection of couriers to fit your schedule and package dimensions. Our Australian-owned business operates in Victoria, but we can deliver here, and over here too, to any residential, commercial and rural locations Australia-wide. But like most of our customers, you might find yourself thinking about the affordability of your chosen shipping method and whether your items need to be delivered by a project deadline. Well, we can help you with that. You can calculate shipping for your order in the cart section of our online store. Here's how. Once you have selected your products in our catalog, click the cart icon on the top right of the page. This will take you to your cart with all of your chosen items and their cost. Above the checkout button, you'll find bold text saying Calculate Shipping. Upon clicking here, you'll find a small form that allows you to calculate shipping with an estimate postcode location anywhere in Australia. Click Calculate Shipping once you're done typing your details in. And voila! You'll find the cheapest shipping costs provided by several of our courier companies in the grey box, so you can decide whether delivery by our couriers is the right option for you. This handy tool saves you time from typing in all of your details at checkout, like mobile number and exact address, to calculate shipping fast. But otherwise, if the cost works for you, you can go to checkout to place your order and you'll find it arriving to your location in no time. You'll get a tracking number and notifications from the courier once your order is in their system. Happy shopping, everyone!